Yo, what up, Chris? Yeah, here's the crank. As you can see, it's not torqued down. It spins cherry. And now I'm gonna torque them down. Those ARPs down to 80 foot-pounds, but in sequences. The ARP mains, and yes, they're lubed up with that stuff. So I'll be back. Alright, this is 30 foot-pounds torque on all of them. It still spins by hand. Alright, so now it's at 60. I can feel a little resistance in there, but I can still do it by hand. Pretty chill, and that's, I would love it if it would do that when I go to 80, but watch when I go to 80. Alright, so I just did the middle main caps right here to 80. And there's no fucking way that bugger's moving. Ah, see, I barely got it, but see, it's like just the middle one's at 80. The rest are at 60, and that's fucking hard as fuck to spin it, but it still does. But yeah, see, I'm surprised I can even get, there we go. Alright, so there, it spins on that one. Let me try it again. Well, the rest to 80. Alright, so I did number 4 right here to 80. Ah, shit. Ah, yeah, see, and then it shouldn't be that fucking hard, man. See, I can still get it at this point, but it just seems like I'm trying to do this with one fucking hand, dude. Alright, there we go. Let's see. Nope. Get it when I get a grip on it, but oh, there's no fucking way. See, just these two at 80. These are at 60. I can't even fucking get that bitch to spin. Nah, fuck no. But yeah, see, and these are the bearings I'm using. ACL standards. They were saying there's smaller ones, those sizes, but the tech guy is not there because I called him today, and they said he would be there on Monday. But then I plastic gauged him, and it was like, you know, a fat squish mark at .001. That's inch, and I know I want to be right there in the middle at .0015, but my shit's fat, you know, so I know it's really tight. So yeah, I don't fucking know, but holy shit, man, if I could get that shit, I'd be doing good and have the shit almost put back together. But that's the only shit slowing me down. Here's those cams, supposed GSR cams. Oh shit, wrong side. But yeah, see, there's no fucking rings on them. You know, and so I'm sending them shits back. Here's the other one. Nothing. But yeah, so I already talked to that dude, and I'm sending them back. And I wanted to show you too, when I put a wrench on the end, or I could spin that shit easy, you know. Watch, I'll show you with them all torqued down. That's still just a 2, but you know, I can't really. But if I put a little pressure on it, I could get it, and then I can keep it going. But like as soon as I stop, oh well, it's doing it now. Watch, I'm gonna torque them all to 80 right now. Alright, so it's 80. There's no fucking way I can turn it with my hand, but if I get this and put some pressure on it, I can spin that shit. See, and it spins, but like right there, look, It's kind of jammed up a little bit. But there's no fucking way I could spin it with my hand. Nope. Just with this. And I'm putting a pretty good amount of pressure to get it started, but once I get it started, you know, I get stuck right there. Seeing like that, if I keep it going, I'm seeing that sometimes it jams the fuck up. But yeah, see, not putting that big of a pressure on it, but the motherfucker will spin, but not by hand, that's for damn sure.